Guys, welcome back to Messy and Beautiful. I'm Sarah Jane. Thanks for joining me today for another video. In case you can't tell by my voice, I'm really unwell. I'm full of cold, but it's Advent Day and it is midnight on the 1st of December and I am here to open day one of my Advent calendars. Before we just get into this, I want to say that my goal was to upload a video a day in December. I'm not going to be able to do that now, because I've been running around like crazy for my daughter's birthday. It is blinking freezing in my shed as well, which isn't helping my brain. So if my brain starts to shut down, it's really late and I'm really cold and really ill, but I'm going anyway. So I'm going to miss today, but from tomorrow I'm probably going to upload this video, and then I'm going to try my best to do one video a day in December. But they're not all going to be like newer content. It's going to be stuff that I filmed maybe 5 or 6 weeks ago, and I'm just going to try and catch up with myself a little bit as well. So I'm sort of doing vlogmas, but not really. Anyway, you're here to see Advent unboxings. So I ordered 6 Advent calendars. How I ended up with 6 is absolutely beyond me. 2 of them are 12 days, so I'm going to alternate after today. I'm going to alternate and do one a day of each of the 12 days. And then one of them hasn't arrived. So Rebel & Co, I don't know. I'm a bit peeved, if I'm honest. I accept that I ordered later than quite a lot of people. I didn't order the minute it went on sale, but I knew from last year that that was a calendar I'm going to get. And I know she's had loads of problems, and I hate to slag off other shops, but I'm a little bit miffed that the planning was pretty poor. That being said, I don't know how many orders she's had, and she might be really inundated, and I'm sure she's working very, very hard to try and get up to date with it all. But the fact that I don't think anyone has had their calendar by the 1st of December is just, yeah. Anyway, so rant over. When that arrives, I'll just catch up. I haven't seen any spoilers. I avoid spoilers of all of these things because I treat them as Advent calendars. So I don't do what other YouTubers do and open the whole box in one go. For me, it's one a day, every day throughout December. Or in my case, 5 a day. It's like my fruit and veg, isn't it? It's good for my well-being. So I'm going to do day one of all of them today. And then the 12-day ones, I'm going to skip the 2nd of December. And I'll go straight on to the 3rd of December. But what I'm going to do, other than today, is do 2 or 3 days and then put that into one video. So you don't have to sort of sit and watch a 5-minute video every, of 6 different calendars. So I'm going to lump them together like I normally do. If you've seen me last couple of years, that's what I've done in the last few years. And the reason I'm not going to do more than one day today is because I know there's all going to be the like thank yous and stuff in there as well when it's the experience of opening the box for the first time too. So it's going to take me a little bit longer to get through day one, I think. So I've got 12 days of cuteness from Cute Stickers Only. This is a 24-day calendar that I ordered, and I'm going to just put them on the floor as I go past. My shed's about to become an absolute state again, isn't it? I've got the Stationery Advent from Marshmallow Studio, which I'm so excited about. I got the Whoria Advent. I got the Grumpy Tortoise Advent, which are both 24 days, Whoria and Grumpy Tortoise. And Planner Berries 12 Days of Cuthbert. So I'm going to start here because I'm so excited to open this one. So Planner Berries 12 Days of Cuthbert. This is the front. Look how cute. How cute is that? Thank you so much for purchasing the first 12 days of Cuthbert Advent box. I really hope you enjoy it. I've tried to keep in mind to make stickers to use with any planner. Oh, that's interesting. From me and Cuthbert, we'd like to wish you all a happy Christmas and a wonderful New Year. Very sweet. Look how cute is this. Oh, so exciting. I'm genuinely like, I was like, oh, I'll just go and do it tomorrow. No one will know. And I was like, I'm not waiting. I've waited all this time. These boxes have been stacked up in my shed forever. So day one, I am just going to put that to one side. Let the unpacking madness commence. Look how cute the numbers are. He's peeking up throughout a little holly wreath. Gotta have to keep those. Oh. Yay! I haven't bought much of this stuff deliberately, knowing that the Advent calendars are probably going to have them in. Oh my god. Ah! That's so cute. So, oh, you get, hello, my name is Sarah labels. And it's like Zoe knows that you clearly have more than one planner if you're a planner girl. How cute is that? I love the little heart background as well. That's adorable. So first planner label of the year that's not my own, and then a sheet of them as well, which is so cute. Like, they're definitely getting used. And then, oh, she's included vinyl for this is my journal, this is my planner, and hands off my stuff, and then a little bit of transfer tape. Yeah, transfer tape, so that you can stick those into your planner, and then some instructions on how to do it. And I'm not going to sit and read those because I know how to apply vinyl, and I'm sure a lot of planners do. So, oh, that's so cute. I absolutely adore that. That is adorable. Right, okay, so I'm already grinning from ear to ear. Grumpy Tortoise. Now, the Grumpy Tortoise, Plannerberry and Rebel Ink were the 3 that I ordered and said I'm done. The other 3 came after my birthday with my birthday money and my sod it attitude. Anyway, so Grumpy Tortoise. I have a discount code for the Grumpy Tortoise. Sarah15 will get you 15% off in the shop and a freebie. I'm not going to mention that every time I open, but I am going to mention it every video because I do PR for her. I did pay for this with my own money. I ordered this before I even started doing PR for Linda. However, I know a lot of her stuff will be available in the shop after Christmas. So look at this, like a proper little gift label. That's going in my December daily, which I also haven't started yet. I'm doing well so far for December. Having my daughter's birthday, so at the start of the year, that is so pretty. She's even done it in like blue sparkles. I feel like she knows me well. So Sarah, thank you so much for purchasing one or more of our adverts for 2023. I've tried to pick one for everyone. I've tried to reduce plastic waste. So if it includes washi, it won't include plastic. All the advents this year give you examples of new products coming to the Grumpy Tortoise in 2024. I love all the products in this year's advent and I can't wait to start using them. Please see overleaf for opening suggestions. Oh no, it's only 12 days. It's a 12-day calendar. I thought it was a 24-day calendar. That's my mistake. I ordered what was there. Like, oh, so this is only 12 days as well. Oh no, what am I going to do? Look at these shiny envelopes. Oh, there goes my plan. I'm going to have to think about that, aren't I? Maybe I'll go with Linda's suggestion of which days to open. So 2nd, I'm not waiting till the 2nd. I'll wait till the 4th, 6th, 8th, 10th, 12th. Right up until the 24th. Yeah, I might do that. I think I'm going to go, other than today, I'm going to have to wait till the 4th now. Beautiful. Rainbowy. Monthly calendars. Oh, look at these. And, oh, big monthly calendars. Oh, I like these. I like that they're bigger. I can feel my creativity flowing. I love planner setup season, don't you? I love it. Right, so that is the Grumpy Tortoise for now. I'm going to leave those little instructions in there. And I'm going to put that with that. I'm also going to move this piece of wool because I think by the end of the calendar it's probably going to annoy me. So I don't need it. I've got loads of wool. I'm a bit of a knitter as well. Right, so there's that one. Then the next one's Whoria. There's clearly glass in here and it's really heavy. It weighs a ton. Right, is this a 24? It must be because there's a 13, so it must be. Thank you so much for supporting Whoria and trusting us to fill your December with bookish magic. So this one I ordered, oh, I didn't say. So with Linda's calendar, you could order like Hobonichi. I think there was a sarcastic one. And I've just gone for the standard like bullet journal one because I use astrology. So I thought it would probably be the most applicable to me. So Whoria had various different calendars and I went for the bookish journal one. I'll double check those maybe. So this advent calendar has been an absolute joy to make. We filled each day with items using our reading journal next year and we hope you find them just as useful. Genre and style neutral, aside from of course the Whoria aesthetic you'd expect. So hopefully you can make the most of it during the year. I am absolutely freezing. My hands are going numb. It doesn't say that on the card. Starting point to kick off a whole adventure of books and fictional worlds. We'll be sharing our journey with everyone, along with additional free downloads, buddy reads, book discussions, and much, much more. Be sure to keep an eye on your emails over the next couple of weeks for sneaky early access for something for 2024. Do you think they're doing Patreon? We've got some exciting plans for 2024. We hope you'll join us. We wouldn't be here without you. Very sweet. Like, obviously share on social and all of that biz. So I went for the book journal one. I've never done a reading journal before, but one of the things I really want to do is get back into reading. So have I got day one? Where's day one? So I thought this might spur me on a little bit. I have found day one. Oh, I'll get them in the end. Look at the cute stickers. They're very pretty, aren't they? Little Mandelas. Right, I think this is a pen. Feels like a pen. I wonder what pen. I can't get into it. I like that it's all like craft paper and craft envelopes and stuff. That's very Whoria. Oh. Right. Oh. So it looks like it's a rollable pen, but I think it's a wooden pen. It's a wooden pen. That is cool. And it's got like a brushed gold. I like that it's not shiny gold. I like that it's brushed. That's really cool. How does it write? Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I was like, oh, it'll just be a standard pen. Guys, my battery died while I was testing the pen. I was saying that I've got a couple of wooden pens because my husband got me one for our wedding anniversary, and I bought myself one as well at the same time that I bought him one. So that was a few years ago now. This is really nice. I really like this pen. I really like this pen. It's a nice weight as well. It's not too heavy. Like, that's really pretty. I really like that. It is a bit steamy, but I think that's just because it's so cold in this shed. I really need to put my heater on before I come out here. Right, so next one is cute stickers only, which I'm really excited about. It's super cute. Now, I have already pulled the sticker. That's as far as I got because I realised that my battery had died. And it's here because I got as far as this and then went, oh, my battery's died. Talk about, you'd think I'd know by now, wouldn't you, to check things like my battery and my memory before I start filming. I am just going to move this box out of the way because it is quite a big old box. I love a 24-day calendar. 24 days my favourite because cute little bells on the stickers. It's like a little present. That's really cute. Washi tape. Double washi tape. Oh my God. I've got fluff from my scarf. Sorry. The, yeah, 24-day calendar. Look at those. Aren't they pretty? Sorry guys, that took me way longer than necessary, and I think it's just because my hands are so cold. Like, my brain's shutting down as well. So the first one is this one. Is that a full rotation? Pocky sticks up to there. That's a full rotation. So from there all the way along. Really pretty. I'm not really a pink person, but I actually quite like this. So they don't say Pocky, they say Porky, as in Pawky. Sakura, you're cute instead of Yakult. That's cute. What does the Starbucks cup say? Star Paul's coffee. Very punny. Sorry, excuse my bad dad jokes. So that's the first one. And then this is the second one. This looks beautiful. It's got loads of like is it Sakura? I can never say it. Whichever one. Those types of flowers. Oh my God, it's clouds. Look. Cloudy and beautiful. Look at that. That's right up my street at the moment, isn't it? God, they're nice. That feels really generous for day one as well. Like, that's really cool. Yeah, what's I saying? Yeah, I love a 24-day calendar because you get something every day. Like, I get why shops do 12-day calendars. Now, having done one, I know how much time they take. And I think I really underpriced mine for the amount of time it took me to make them all. However, 24 days gives you something every day, doesn't it? So I am so excited for this one. So unbelievably excited for this one. I ummed and ahed about whether or not to order this. Look at the little things on the top. Even that's cute. I don't know how they survived the post, actually. I might try and keep that sticker too. And put it in my planner. That'd be cool. Yeah, I ummed and ahed about this one a lot. And I was like, do you know what? It's my birthday money. I'm going to do what I want with it. And I really love her style. I love her style. Oh, look. Marshmallow mail, stay sweet. Oh, I keep getting distracted. So yeah, the 24-day thing. So I get why people don't do them anymore and they do 12 days instead of 24, because the amount of time it takes to build a calendar, let alone a 24-day calendar, is unreal. And I have devoted my life to getting mine out on time. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do next year, if I'm going to keep it at 24 days and then put the same amount of stuff, like, and make it more expensive but put the same amount of stuff in it, or maybe put in less stuff for a 12-day and then make it the same price. I haven't decided yet, or maybe I'll do options. I don't know. But also, just quickly, side note, thank you to anyone who did order my shop's advent calendar, Scribbles by Starlight, because I was absolutely overwhelmed by the number of orders I got. I was not expecting that many, and I am incredibly grateful for everybody that placed an order with me. Even if you've just ordered a few stickers from my shop and stuff, I've been quite busy lately and it's been like unbelievable, and it's like my dream coming true. So anyway, on to this calendar that I really can't wait for. Look how cute. Oh, changing attitude there. I've gone all serious for a second and now I'm like, look at the cuteness. So 2023 Marshmallow Advent, 12 days of stationery surprises, 12-day bundle. I knew it was a 12-day, this one. This was the one I was going to alternate with Plannerberry, but Grumpy Tortoise is 12 days as well, so I'm going to have to think about that. Oh wow, so there's 2 brand new products in here, and they're items that can be used at any time of year. Remember, no spoiler alerts. Brilliant. Huge thank you for supporting our very first advent. We can't wait to hear what you think and hope you enjoy opening all your goodies. Much love, Shannon Kev. Like, that's so sweet. I kept their little card as well from my haul, that you'll see. I think it'll probably go up after this one, because I ordered some bits and bobs whilst I placed this order. Look how cute, even down to this. Isn't this adorable? I love the colour of the paper as well. Like, really nice. Oh, and day one's right at the top. Look at the little stationery stickers. I am a sucker for anything that is stationery. Like, which is stupid because it's all stationery, but do you know what I mean? Like, I'm going to move the box. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, try and save this. Right, I think I've done it. I have left a bit behind, but it will do. I think I can rescue that, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to try and save these stickers. I like them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'm going to do something. It's a washi tape. Pen and ink exclusive washi tape. That's cute. Right. There we go. I managed to save the sticker. Again, took way longer than necessary. Oh no. Is that just because my hands are really cold? I've ripped it. Oh no, no. Slow down. Right. There we go. There we go. We're in. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh, I love anything stationery. And I'm getting into fountain pens. Oh my God, is that my fountain pen? Is that my fountain pen that I've just bought? It is. That is my fountain pen. I'm way too excited about that. Way too excited. I keep losing my train of thought. I'm too excited. That is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to open the rest of this one. I'm so, yeah. I can't wait to open this calendar. This has been the one, I think, this year that has been properly getting me and going, I really want to see it. I want to see what's in it. But I just couldn't. So I've just left them all piled up in my shed. And now I finally get to start opening them, which is amazing. I'm going to leave this video here for today. And then I'm going to, like I said at the beginning, try and video a day for the rest of December. Because I appreciate I've already missed December 1st. And you'll get them in different orders. But they will always say that they're the Advent unboxings if you just want to track along with this. I am very, very close to my 1,000 subscriber mark as well, which I would really love to hit before the end of the year. So if you haven't subscribed already and you do watch my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below. And I would love to have you back. Come see me again and see the rest of my calendars. Take care, everyone. Bye.